Hey you guys, back with another video. I already washed my asparagus and I cut the tips. You can see I put black pepper on there, and I'm about to put some butter and salt on here. Hold on you guys. Okay you guys, and what I just did, I just cut my butter because I'm making, once again, lemon butter asparagus. There's my lemon I just cut. There's my salt here I use. Pink salt, little black pepper, and I'm going to put just a little dash on here. Okay. And that's garlic and herb. I'm almost out of that. So at the point now, I'm going to add my butter on here now. I'm just cutting it up. So I hope your day is going well. Mine is going good so far. And I just put the butter. This is a recipe that I had at a restaurant before, and it was really good. So when you make it at home, if you choose to do so, just make sure you watch how much lemon you put on here, because you don't want the lemon to be overpowering the asparagus. And this is really good. It gives a really good flavor. So that's what I'm going to have for a side. And I just have a little asparagus left, and I'm going to use that for tomorrow's dinner, you guys. This is the other half asparagus I have left. So I don't know why I boiled this egg. I was intending to I had a little spinach left. I was intending to make me a salad, but I still probably would make it up anyway since I cooked the egg. But yeah, this is the lemon butter asparagus. I hope you guys can give it a try. Just be careful when you squeeze the lemon. If you like it really strong, then be my guest, but I don't. Okay, I thank you all for watching, and probably if I make my salad, I might be back. If not, so I'm just going to finish off my coffee right here. And I thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye now.